Caterpillar C7 Inframe Overhaul kit from AFA. Let's do an unboxing. We also do Cat C7 engines, so here we go. Inframe kits always come with break-in procedures. They're in English and in Spanish. Hopefully everybody's breaking their engines properly. We put those in there, it's super important. We got a QC card letting you know who built the kit and when. Here's our ring sets right here, 6 ring sets. Let's take a look at the ring sets for you guys real quick so you know what type of quality we put into our rings. All rings from AFA are premium quality. They're made by the best quality materials, the best coatings to make them last longer and give you the seal and the compression that you need in your cylinder from any ring. All rings are made to meet or exceed OE quality. But you can see our ring right there. Rod bearings. Rod bearings in these kits and main bearings are all tri-metal. Tri-metal bearings withstand higher loads. They last a lot longer than other bearings, the competitor bearings, and they are made to meet or exceed specifications at all times. AFA bearings are really high quality. So you got your main bearings here as well. By the way, 6 rod bearing pairs. And you got your main bearings, 7 main bearings in here. Here's a set of them. You can see the oil holes right there. Tri-metal bearings, again, highest quality materials. Bearing quality really lies in the material, the coatings. Obviously, specifications got to be met as far as measurements, but materials and coatings, that's where AFA really sets itself apart or takes a lot of pride in and goes above and beyond to meet those material requirements. Material is huge at AFA. Then we can look at the piston kit for the C7. Piston has a special coating on it. You can see this graphite coating right there on the skirts all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful piston. See our marking on it, tells you the direction of the piston. Pins and retainers are preloaded in there just to keep them intact during shipping. But look at that piston right there, guys, folks. This is a premium quality piston. Doesn't get much better than this. You can see the coating special. It's the latest technology in aluminum pistons. This sucker right here can handle high loads, can last a lot longer than your typical aluminum pistons. Almost feels like it's a steel piston. It's the latest technology though. And then we'll go, come closer, let me show you how this thing's packaged. It's so well packaged. So we'll take everything out of here, the rings and the bearings that we talked about earlier. Here's our ring set part number. Special part numbers on all our ring sets because we put the best rings for each ringland in the piston. We spec them out. So your middle ring is spec'd out, your top compression ring is always spec'd out, and your oil ring, of course, to get you the best ring set possible for that engine and that application. But you can see here we have this insert to hold all those products in there. Then we got the gasket set. I'm gonna go ahead and open this gasket set because a lot of my unboxings, I kind of just talk about the gasket set without opening it, but it's important that you guys can see what goes into our gasket sets. AFA started off as a gasket manufacturer, still is a gasket manufacturer today. We manufacture all types of gaskets, rubber-edge steel, head gaskets, all your latest technology gaskets, AFA does. MLS, graphite, multi-layer graphite. I mean, we got it. Look at this thing. We really make a great effort in doing the best job possible in our gaskets. You can see the head gasket back there. It's got a stainless steel fire rings. It's got a 5-layer graphite head gasket. And then you got your valve stem seals, all your O-rings that you need in the bag. All O-rings are always marked with part numbers from AFA. So you can see your valve cover gaskets, all your in-frame kit gaskets, everything's in here. Exhaust manifold, intake manifold. And then I'll put this aside so you can see the rest of the kit. Put it right here, right here. Then you got your oil pan gasket. Don't forget to ask for C7 in-frame kits from AFA next time you got a C7 overhaul.